Chevy. I'm dipping in my Chevy, my Chevy, my Chevy. Okay. I'm bouncing in my Chevy, my Chevy, my Chevy. I'm riding in my Chevy, my Chevy, my Chevy. I got the free gas Chevy.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Ride 254. You tune in for another one. I don't know exactly how this shit gonna work. I was trying to adjust the mount. It's been a minute since I done used the suction cup mount in the car and whatever. But I was able to just take the whole setup off of this thing, and I was able to just move it over to the suction cup. So it's really not as bad as I was thinking it was gonna be. I don't even have to take the dead cat off. Hopefully it's not even in the frame. From what I can see, it shouldn't be. So we should be all good to go. I just wanted to get this set up, test it out, because as you know, the tune for the Chevy gonna be done real soon. Also, what else is coming? Yeah, Chevy tune gonna be done soon. Probably within the next 3 months or so. Could be sooner. Like I said, I mean, it's summertime coming up, you know. Kids, you know what I'm saying, want to do shit for the summer, you know, family vacations, things like that nature. So that could be in the next 3 months. So, you know, hopefully by May, June, July, August, maybe for my birthday I can get my tune done. You know what I'm saying? By then. So in the meantime, in between time, I know y'all want to see some Chevy riding shit, some LS Chevy riding shit. So we getting ready to pull the C-10 back out the garage. The third door garage. We're gonna pull that out the garage, and we're gonna make sure that we get that. We're gonna pull it out, you know, see what they can do. You know what I'm saying? We haven't really done nothing other than moving from one side of the garage to the other, and that was about it. So since then, you know, we've tightened up the headers to eliminate that sound, that exhaust manifold leak that was right there at the headers. So now that we got that tightened up, I know we got like a little bit of a squilling. Could be a belt, could be a pulley. I'm not exactly sure yet. I have not been out to the junkyard to look, but I will be going out there very soon to look and see if I can find that pulley. It's usually something that people pick immediately. But we're gonna try to pinpoint that sound and, you know, see exactly where we stand with that. So I just want to appreciate, let everybody know that they are appreciated, man. Shout out to all the subscribers, man. We like damn near the 700 subscribers at the time of this video. So I just want to give a major shout out to y'all. If it wasn't for y'all, then, you know, the channel wouldn't be nothing. We wouldn't be growing like we growing, and, you know, making the progress that we're making. Being able to help people, and being able to entertain people at the same time, it's a thing, and I love it. You do run into some bad seeds, you do run into some toxic people, some negative people, but, you know, that just comes with it, you know what I'm saying? If you're not doing something, if you're not being hated on, or if you're not being, you know, then you're probably not doing something right, you know what I'm saying? People will encourage bad shit all day long, but if you're doing something positive, then that's when you don't really catch all that flag or whatnot. Yeah. else is coming? As y'all know, we got the hood from my boy Pierre. This is just like a recap video. Recap what is happening and what's happening in the future. So got the hood from my boy Pierre. That's gonna practice. That's what we're gonna start practicing welding on. I don't want to just start welding quarter panels on, and I ain't ever welded anything like practicing in my whole life. So practice makes perfect. So that's something we're gonna put in implementation as well. As you know, we also had the video that dropped about the cutter. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna be cutting out the quarter panel on the CHEVELLE and getting that welded in. Along with welding in the CHEVELLE quarter panel, we also gonna be getting some metal and welding in the floor on the CAPRICE. I didn't forget about it. It just kind of slid to the back of my mind because it's not, I mean, it's crucial, but it's not crucial. But we do need to get that floor. We do need to get that the passenger side seat taken out, and then get that carpet rolled back, pulled up, and then see, you know, what we working with, what we looking at as far as what's going on with that CAPRICE floor, how bad it is, and just kind of go from there. Also, I think that's about it. I think that about wraps it up. So in summary to the recap, tune coming soon for the CAPRICE. In the meantime, we're gonna be going through and finding other little stuff that's going wrong with it, or other little issues that may be happening that we can go ahead and get done now, while we waiting on the majorly funds to come through for the tune for the LS swap. Just to kind of get that out of the way, A1. C-10, like I said, we're gonna be pulling that out here real soon, and be going to giving that spin around the block, you know, see what it'll do. Are we having the same issue that we're having out of the other one? Are they gonna really need to be tuned, or are they gonna be straight, or, you know, what are we gonna be looking at with that 350 transmission? Other than that, guys, I mean, CHEVELLE, as y'all know, is needed body work, a lot of body work. Roof, trunk, quarter panels, the whole nine. At this point in time, we are committed to fixing it and, you know, putting it back on the road. Is that subject to change? Absolutely. Probably the CHEVELLE is the only, although the CHEVELLE is probably my most car that is worth something. It's also the one that requires the most work, which is probably why it's worth the most. But at the same time, it could be the same reason why I might, you know what I'm saying, down the line, might or might not tinker with it. But while we got it, we're gonna take advantage of the opportunity to, you know, kind of learn some new stuff, you know, do some body work with it, and then go from there. The ultimate goal is to get it back up, you know what I'm saying, 100%, and pull it out, because I mean it's different, you know what I'm saying, and that's a big thing, you know what I'm saying. For those of y'all that remember when the channel was JDS, better than the rest, part of the slogan was, you know, it's better than the rest, but it's different from the rest, you know what I'm saying. And I'm different, you know what I'm saying, I'm better because I'm different, because I'm not conforming to what, you know, most people are doing. I'm just being me. So the difference, you know, when I pull out, you know what I'm saying, the short bed C-10, I mean, you see them, they're pretty famous. The CAPRICEs, I mean, everybody got a box Chevy, but that 73 CHEVELLE, man, while there are owners, it's not nearly as many C10 owners, or it's not nearly as many Chevelle owners 73 as it is C10 and box Chevy owners. So that's something that I think that's really gonna be, I guess, like my long-term plan for that one. Like I said, after now, anything is subject to change, because you never know. You know how I do. It ain't like something might just pop up. So, but anyway, oh damn, I forgot to go get this gas. I gotta get some gas, y'all. My fault. I was about to turn to go to the house and forgot to get this gas. So yeah, we're going to get this gas for the C10. I don't necessarily know that it needs some gas, but from our prior experience with the C10 or with the Caprice, when we ran out of gas, that's where we at with that one. So just to be able to, take around the neighborhood a couple times, we got adjust anything, make any change. There's really not much to be adjusted or anything. The only thing is like that setup runs on it's the manual transmission. So my only concern is like, okay, well, what exactly needs to be done as far as anything special. As far as I know, it's other stuff. So I'll make another video about that, when we get closer to get ready to do the C10. I'm not gonna cram it all into this video, man. Already at like 11 minutes, which it'll be chopped down 9 more or less. So yeah, man, appreciate y'all rocking with your boy, man. Make sure y'all tell your friends, subscribe, like button, comment, all that jazz, man. Remember, identify your weaknesses and make your strengths. Gone.